What up, y'all? It's your boy Scoob. Yeah, I had just opened my Lamborghini Aventador, my Liberty Walk Aventador from the Hot Wheels Elite 64 line. See, I was, in the middle of doing my video till I accidentally turned my phone off. So I got to redo my video all over again. Luckily, I was only a few minutes in, only about 1 minute in. But anyway, that don't matter. Let's talk about this baby right now. Excuse my fan running in the background. It just got too hot up in here. Yeah, but anyway, this is it. I finally got it. And after 3 weeks of waiting for FedEx to finally get their shit together, I've been dealing with so many of these FedEx fuck-ups. They didn't send my Jaguar. Well, Mattel is partially to blame for that. But that's just another story for another day. But I'm just glad it's here, safe and sound. But anyway, let's get to it. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, they really stepped their game up. Now a lot of y'all that have been keeping up with the Elite 64 line, you've been hearing a lot of criticism surrounding it. It's just a money grab, they're just copying off a mini GT, but I don't believe so. After what I've seen with my Toyota Chaser, the first one that came in through the Elite 64 line. But here's the headlights. There's the tail lights, the license plate. And then there's the side detail. Imagine all the people living in peace. That's what it says on the door. And then it says Liberty Walk down here. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Now the coolest thing about this one is that you can take it apart, the rear end. So let's try that out. There's the engine. And now for the back. You can see the twin turbos right there. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Wow. And then yeah, and I believe the wing comes off too. And I really like these wheels. These wheels are kind of dope. They kind of look like they're coming off, but you can fix that by poking them back out with your thumb. Excuse my phone. It just don't want to cooperate right now. So yeah, man, this thing is tight. This thing is pretty dope. Let's see what it looks like without the wing. You know what? This looks pretty good. Hmm. Probably don't got this back end, this glass end good enough, but oh well. This is just a demonstration. But yeah, so far so good. I really like this. It kind of make me want to buy another one, even though the sale they already sold out. It's on eBay. Guess I'll find one on eBay. I really don't need another one, but it's cool to have another one. It ain't really too much hype on it. That's the good news, at least for right now. Even though a lot of people are crazy about Liberty Walk, especially if you're into JDM supercars. I'm into supercars with a little bit of JDM. So yeah, this thing is pretty nice. Let's put this wing back on. You can see it's riveted. I wish it was screwed together for the money that you paid for it. But oh well, at least it is, well put together. We got a little bit of glue right there. Yeah, right there at the top. But yeah, at least that's on the bottom anyway. And nobody can see that too good. So that's the good news right there. But yeah, you really can't see it too good from the inside, but it's painted right there, the center console. So they thought about a little bit of detail, give you a little something, something. Yeah, for $30, yeah, you better. When you add, it's like $20 to buy it, but you know how shipping and handling goes. State tax. But anyway, we're not going to dwell on that. All I'm glad is, it's what I expected and a little bit more. You got the mirrors right here. You better be careful with those. But anyway, this is pretty nice. Oh, we got something up here too. It says LB Performance, made in Japan. So yeah, this is pretty nice. This is pretty cool. This is pretty awesome. And this is a metal base, by the way. So this thing is super heavy. So yeah, I guess that just about does it for today. I really don't know what to say, honestly. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied at the result. So, and hopefully, I was thinking about buying that Mustang that's coming out, that '69 Mustang. But I have to really see what that's gonna look like before I buy that. But I like old Mustangs, so I'll probably end up pulling the trigger on that too, especially since it's going to have an engine in it, just like this Lamborghini. So yeah, this is the Lamborghini Aventador Liberty Walk. So, oh yeah, got some stuff on the back. that's the Lamborghini. This is the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador LP 704. So that just about does it for today. Thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm glad I'm getting a couple of new subscribers. Thank you very much for investing your time into my channel. I really do appreciate that more than you know. So anyway, I'm out, y'all. Bye-bye.